Curious about where the fuse boxes are located in your 2022 Chevrolet Trailblazer? Need a detailed diagram to identify specific fuses for troubleshooting electrical issues? This guide will help you locate the fuse boxes and provide a clear diagram for easy reference. Let's explore the layout. Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block in the 2022 Chevrolet Trailblazer protects key systems like the engine, cooling fans, and headlights. It features clearly labeled fuses and relays for easy identification and troubleshooting. The block is sealed to protect against moisture and debris, ensuring reliable performance. Instrument panel fuse block. The instrument panel fuse block in the 2022 Chevrolet Trailblazer controls interior systems like infotainment, power outlets, and lighting. It features clearly labeled fuses for easy identification and maintenance. The compact design allows for convenient access behind the glove box for quick troubleshooting. Rear compartment fuse block. The rear compartment fuse block in the 2022 Chevrolet Trailblazer manages fuses for rear systems like taillights, rear wipers, and the power liftgate. It features clearly labeled fuses for easy identification and troubleshooting. The block is securely enclosed behind a trim panel, protecting it from dust and debris. Type of fuses: blade fusee, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.